This video explains the settings section in NexSAA, where you manage your profile, email, setup, billing, and system labels. We start from the settings page, which controls all account level preferences. The My Profile section shows your basic account details. Here you can view and update your name, email address, alternate email, contact number, role, and assign cohort. You can also upload or remove a profile picture. This helps keeps your account information accurate. Next is the SMTP section, used to set up how emails are sent from NexSAA. Here you enter your email credentials and choose the email service you want to use. Supported services include AWS, Gmail, and Outlook. Once saved, NexSAA uses is set up to send exam invites, notifications, and system emails. The billing section is where subscription and usage details are managed. This helps organizations keep track of their plan and service status. Labels let you change how things are named inside NexSAA. You can edit singular and plural names for programs, modules, skill units, users, cohorts, students, exams, pulse, and email templates. This makes NexSAA fit to your internal terminology without changing how the system works. The settings section helps you personalize NexSAA from profile details and email setup to billing and system naming, so everything works the way your organization needs.